To access Wi-Fi on Qatar Airways, start by opening your web browser and typing in the airline's website. Once you've arrived at the site, you can navigate to the various sections, including the homepage, booking options, and information on their loyalty program. If you have an account, log in with your email and password. Otherwise, create a new account using the sign up option. After logging in, look for the Experience section, which includes information on the in-flight experience, such as dining and entertainment options. Specifically, select Onboard Wi-Fi to learn more about staying connected during your flight. You'll find details on how to purchase high-speed internet access, including any available discounts, such as saving up to 20% by buying internet access before your trip. Members of certain loyalty programs may also have access to special offers. Be sure to review the terms and conditions for more information.